It's Ari. Yes, I'm back. I'm always coming back. It's super early, super sunny, and I'm going on a nice fancy boat. Or should I say yacht? We don't know. But yes, you know me in Jamaica usually go on a little fisherman boat, go to the beach. Well, you'll see what I'll be on today because I'm living life large in Trinidad. Let's go. Yes, I'm not gonna be drinking heavy today. I'm gonna drink a little shandy. And yeah, my friends are there waiting for me. How beautiful today is. Gonna get my tan on. So yesterday we agreed that, you know, we're not gonna drink because we've been drinking every single day. And I just told you about shandy, right? You know, a little six-pack, maybe 3. And I come on the boat and my friends tell me about this. 3 bottles of single barrel, and they said they're not drinking. Thank you, Rosebelly. Thank you. Thank you, Ellis. And she still says she's not drinking. Thank you, Angie.
I'm a friend.
Too much rum. God help us today. And we're off, people. Ready, set, go. Yes. Yeah, I guess we're a little smooth sailing. So yeah, let's go, let's go. I'm feeling a little tired, but let's go. I cannot have this kind of energy with you guys. It's time to wake up, Ari. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, that boat's saying fat cat. Fat cat. Oh my gosh. She's PG-13, eh? Nice. Hey! Captain. Yeah, man. Living the best life in Trinidad. Look at them. They're playing shy, eh? Shy. It's okay. I'm in the jacuzzi, no problem. Happy Sunday. Yes, Gemelo. Cubana, Venezuelana. Anari. Living our best life in the jacuzzi. Look at them. That's our neighbor over there, but they ain't got jacuzzi. You can tell we're very, very excited for jacuzzi. Eh? Oh yes. Everybody's in, almost everybody.
Hi everyone! Give around my Amela today.
Okay, David.
Too much drinks.
Angie, come on! Ooh, the captain's chair. It's nice. I believe this is called Turtle Bay down the islands. I believe so. And this is the island of Monos. It's beautiful.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
chef on the grill, man. And the bartender. Gabo, you make me a drink or what?
Yeah, bro.
A little rum sour.
Run so what?
You can?
I just have sugar syrup and I give it for you.
He's making me a rum sour. Living my best life on a Sunday. So we are here on the little miniature boat. Gonna go for a tour. We came to a new bay, Scotland Bay, and now he's gonna take us around.
Venimos mañana.
Bye, Gabo.
I will follow you. Don't worry.
Where you going?
Go fast, go fast.
Woo!
Hey,
Woo!
hey, buddy.
Hey!
Ah, no vale.
A lot of boats are here. A lot. My hat! My hat! We're going vroom vroom! Vroom vroom! Oh, the chicken! Oh my god! I need a seatbelt!
Sale para allá ella ya.
God. I'm so bummy right now. I just set up my camera for a time lapse like twice and it didn't even record. Just like 1 second. I don't know how to do time lapses. Whatever. Let's continue the day.
Lo supiste cuando gritabas mi nombre. Baby, yo soy el que te corresponde. Qué rico fumar antes de comernos. El destino no cambió todos los planes. Tú dime cuándo va a volver a vernos. Tienes algo más claro y olvídate de sexo. Mami, quiero amarte toda. Conmigo vas al cielo, tú te vienes toda. Quédate conmigo y le picheo a toda. Me dice bebecita que nos vamos a toda. Contigo voy a toda, yeah.
Como quiera, papi, rápido, lento. Soy adicto a tu movimiento. Y aunque a veces que yo te miento, en la noche se me nota lo que siento. Hay gente diciendo que somos animales. Pero como si fuese animal. Es lógico que me reclame. Si sabe que si estoy con él me llama y desamor. Sabe bien que como yo no hay
Okay, we are back at the port. Time to head home. I'm just kidding. We're going to an after party. But it was a good day. Really beautiful. The boat is nice. Down the island, the bays were good. It was a good Sunday. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace. Yeah, man.